Rahim. Assalamu alaikum, ladies and gentlemen. Good morning to one and all. Loudly and soundly, this is me, Rabia Qayyum, student of BS Surgical here at Sarhad University, and I am having my co-host.
Hello everyone, I am Abdul Rahim from BS Surgical 6th semester, and on the behalf of the entire surgical department family, I am thrilled to be your host of this fantastic morning.
So as we all know that we all are gathered here today for such a special or tremendous day, which is marked as Global Surgery Day. So on behalf of my all classmates, juniors, seniors, I welcome all of you to this beautiful gathering. Thank you so much to all of you for coming.
So what do you think, Rabia? Should we propel our program forward?
Yes, of course.
So ladies and gentlemen, as you all know that we are Muslim, and Muslims should start their day from the recitation of Holy Quran. So for this, I would like to invite Hamza from BS Surgical 2nd semester to please come on stage for recitation of Holy Quran. Hamza, please.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم أقم الصلاة لدلوك الشمس إلى غسق الليل وقرآن الفجر إن قرآن الفجر كان مشهودا ومن الليل فتهجد به نافلة لك عسى أن يبعثك ربك مقاما محمودا صدق الله العظيم.
Jazakallah. United we stand, united we work, and united we speak. That's the power of nation.
One nation, one voice. We will sing as a one.
Healing hands, caring hearts, and saving life. Like this, for forwarding our event more, I would like to invite Sir Talha Ghori to please come on stage and deliver or share a few words regarding Global Surgery Day. With your huge clap, Sir Talha Ghori, please, to come on stage.
Honorable Deputy Director, Director of Nursing, Coordinator Nursing, and my dear students, Assalamu alaikum. So my fellows of champions of healthcare, welcome to this momentous celebration of Global Surgery Day. Today we stand united with our hearts filled with pride and our minds focused on the special role and vital role of surgery in our world. Surgery is the beating heart of healthcare, a beacon of hope that enlightens the darkest moments of human suffering. Through the skilled hands and unwavering dedications of surgeons, many lives are saved, diseases are conquered, and injuries are healed. It is a testament to the power of human ingenuity and relentless pursuit of healing. So as we gaze into the future, we see a range of experiences ablaze with the flames of innovation, advanced technologies, and groundbreaking techniques that are poised to revolutionize the surgical landscape. But our vision extends beyond mere technical skills. It includes diversity, inclusivity, and patient-centered approach care. So let us be the pillars of hope that guide the way, the trailblazers who pave the path to a more healthier, a more compassionate future. Let us be the voices that echoes through the halls of power, demanding change and adorning the cause of surgical access for all. In the end, I would extend my deepest gratitude to all the unsung heroes of the surgical world, the surgeons, nurses especially, and supporting staff that embodies the spirit of compassion and excellence. Together, let us forge forward, united our mission to create a healthier world with the power of surgery. Let our voices ring out, echoing the importance of surgery in our world today and for generations to come. I will thank you all for coming and joining this glorious day with us. Happy Global Surgical Day. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Sir Talha, for sharing such an informative words with the students, and I hope that the students will have learned so many important things.
Now, I would like to invite Sumaya from BS Surgical second semester to please come on stage and deliver a speech about importance of surgical in life. Sumaya, please come on stage.
Assalamu alaikum and good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today I want to talk about a crucial aspect of a healthcare system that goes often unnoted: the surgical field. The surgical field are operating room. It where change, life-saving, life-changing and procedure take place. It's where skilled, a medical professional work together to repair, restore and heal our body. A surgical field is more than just like a room. It's a shelter of hope and healing. It's where patients receive treatment for injury, disease and condition that affect of quality for life. For emergency surgeries to elective procedure, that the surgical field is a beacon of a hope for those seeking and cure solution. The surgical is a second chance of a life. The surgical field is resides a great importance of a healthcare. They enable a medical professional to perform a procedure that life saves, treat injuries and chronic condition, diagnosis and manage disease, improve quality of life, facilitate a medical research and innovation, train future generation for a medical professional, and will equip and will maintain a surgical field is essential for delivering high patient quality cares. They require the surgical field's effort for a surgeon, anesthesiologist, and nurses and support staff working to ensure a best possible outcome. In the last, I want to say that the surgical field is a vital component of a healthcare system, transforming life and restoring a hope. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Sumaya. Thank you.
Now, for more forwarding our program forward, as you all know that surgeries are just like war. But it's better than war because it saves life. So now, we would like to call for the practical work Shadab and his group members to please come on stage and present their practical procedure. Give a big hand to them, please, Shadab and his group members.
Happy to learn all what you expected from our group members. And the emergency condition will be created. One of them is falling down with severe chest pain. Let's see what happened to him. His friend is trying to call the rescue 1122 for helping. They are coming to help the patient who is like down. Let's check the pulse of the patient. Check pulse absent. Check breath. Both are absent and indicates that the patient is under the cardiopulmonary arrest. Let's start the chest compression. 15 compression with one breath. They are giving chest compression to the patient. Again, 15 compression with one breath. Now the patient becomes stable and he referred to the emergency department at hospital. Their physician will check the patient there, that what happened to the patient and the way. Physician is checking the patient. Physician is trying to diagnose. Now it's called for the cardiac surgeon. He came. Cardiac surgeon is checking the patient. After the full investigation, it indicates that the patient was fallen down in the way due to the cardiopulmonary arrest and he needs the surgery. For that, he is referred to the operation theatre and the informed consent was signed from the patient. The patient referred to the operation theatre for the surgery. Their surgical technologists are preparing. Pre-operative preparation begins. The patient has been taken into the operation theatre for the surgery. Surgical technologists are preparing OT for the surgery. OT preparation has completed. Now it's called for the anesthetic team to come and anesthetize the patient for the surgery. Anesthetic team reach and they are trying to pass the IV line first. They are going to provide the oxygen before passing into tracheal tube. Oxygen given to the patient before intubation. Now it's time to pass the endotracheal tube. With the help of laryngoscope, he is trying to pass the ET tube. The ET tube fast and he is trying to connect it with the anesthesia machine. Now it's time to call the surgeon because anesthesia is administered to the patient. The surgical assistant, surgical technologists are coming. The surgical technologist is passing from various tips of scrubbing. He is wearing the gown. The circulating surgical technologist is tying. Second surgical technologist also reach. To become scrub. First assisting is helping the second to wear the gown. The various tips of scrubbing are shown by the third surgical technologist. Third also become scrubbed. He is wearing the gloves. The surgical technologist is arranging the instrument on sterile trolley. The surgical technologist is dripping the sites of the surgery, and he is going to scrub the site with the help of iodine. They are doing briefing. Briefing of the patient is in progress. They are giving suction tip and diathermy to connect with it. They drape the patient and expose the sites of the surgery. They completed their phase and now it's called for the surgeon to come and start their surgery. Concentrate toward the surgeon. He is passing from the various tips of scrubbing. The surgical technologist is helping the surgeon to wear and become scrub. He is wearing gloves. The surgical technologists are waiting for the surgeon. Now he becomes stable. He becomes scrubbed and he is going to start the surgery. Now the surgery starts. He is cutting the skin with the help of scalpel. Cutting the help of diathermy. Now the chest exposed. He is doing the cardiac surgery. The surgical technologist is helping to search. Now it is pointed from the side of anesthetic. He pointed to stop the cardiac surgeon in arrhythmia level. That's why the surgeon is doing internal CPR. Let's give a shock with the help of defibrillator. No, there is no response. Again, no response. Yes, he becomes stable. Arrhythmia of Q1. That's why the anesthetic stopped the surgeon from doing surgery. Surgeon is doing the cardiac surgery. completed and congratulated the surgical technologist on the successful surgery. The surgeon has gone and the surgical technologist is trying to close the sternum in heavy sutures. Now the surgery has successfully done. And the chest enclosed by the surgical technologist. The patient is stable from the side of anesthetic team. It was just a committee that we worked on, and we hope you to learn all the techniques and from this procedure you expected from us, as the emergency situation was created. It can be happen anywhere with you people, and you can manage as it was managed by the surgical technologist, and the patient even reached to emergency, and then the surgery completed successfully. Now it's time for all the group members to come for the group picture.
Yes, Rahim, have you noticed that how the surgeons were treating the patient?
Yes, Rabia, surgeries are restoring health, restoring hope, and the art of healing. As you all saw that surgeries are very important because it save lives. It save lives and give a new hope of life to a patient or a human.
Definitely, Rahim, you are absolutely right. So I want to invite Engineer Dr. Salimur Rahman, Vice Chancellor of Sarhad University, to please come on stage and share few words about this beautiful day and about students. So put your hands together for Dr. Salimur Rahman, sir.
Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Deputy Director, Institute of Allied Health Sciences, faculty members, students, ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum. It is always a pleasure to be here among students and see you engaged in purposeful activities. Ever since we have launched the Institute of Nursing and the Institute of Allied Health Sciences, we have seen numerous activities, particularly observing days. One such activity is being conducted today. Coming to your profession, آج میں لمبی speech نہیں کروں گا telling you the history of Sarhad University, you all know it by now. You have seen this skit or demonstration. How many of you think if you have to do these things practically, after seeing this or after reading or being told how it is being done, آپ میں سے کتنے لوگ ایسے ہیں جو کہتے ہیں ہاں جی اب میں کر سکتا ہوں؟ یہ ہاتھ کھڑا کریں گے. تو سب نے ہاتھ کھڑے کر دیے. اگر اتنا آسان ہوتا تو پھر یہ 4 سال کی ڈگریوں کی ضرورت پیش نہ آتی. Okay, when a teacher teaches, he writes something on the board, he solves a problem, and you are going with him. Yes, ہاں ٹھیک ہے یہ ایسا ہی ہوتا ہے, لیکن جب آپ کو اسائنمنٹ ملتی ہے وہ آپ سے نہیں ہوتی. اور جب میں یہ کہہ رہا ہوں کہ آپ سے اس مطلب نہیں کہ you, if I am doing that assignment, I can't do it. Because when somebody else is doing it, we are going with that person and we think we are understanding, we know how it is being done. But the truth is, we absorb a fraction of that information. And when it comes to practicality, we may understand, we may know how it is done, but not necessarily we'll be able to do it in the same way. ٹھیک ہے, آپ کو بہت چھوٹی سی چیز نظر آتی ہے, آپ نے خیر کیا تو ہوگا, یہ جو گلوز ہیں, بہت سے لوگ شاید یہ گلوز ہی نہیں پہن سکیں گے وقت پر. کتنوں کو یہ ایکسپیرینس ہوا ہے کہ یہ گلوز پہننا بھی آسان نہیں ہے. رائٹ. I will share a different scenario with you, and this is why these things are very important. یہ نہیں کہ صرف یہ 4-5 کا ایک ٹولہ ہے آپ کا ہر دفعہ وہی پرفارم کر رہا ہے. Some change should come every time. New people should do this here in your labs. اور جب آپ کی لیبس ہیں وہاں پہ آپ خود پریکٹیکلی یہ چیز کریں. میں جو آپ کو ایک اردو میں اسی لیے ایک قصہ سناتا ہوں چھوٹا سا. میں جب ایئر فورس میں تھا تو ہمارے ایک سینئر جن کا تعلق آرمنٹ سے تھا. آرمنٹ والے لوگ ہوتے ہیں جو جہازوں کے گولہ بارود، بام، میزائل، گنز ان سے ڈیل کرتے ہیں. تو ایک میزائل پاکستان نے خریدا اور اس کے لیے فرینچیز نے، وہ فرانس کا تھا فرینچ، انہوں نے ایک ٹریننگ آفر کی کہ آپ اپنے آفسرز بھیج دیں، ہم ان کو 2 دن کی ٹریننگ دیں گے. کس چیز کی ٹریننگ ہوگی؟ کہ اگر اس کو ڈیفیوز کرنا پڑے. اچھا اب ڈیفیوز ہوتا کیا ہے کہ کسی میزائل میں یا بام میں ایک فیوز لگا ہوتا ہے کہ اگر وہ بام آپ اس کو ناکارہ بنانا چاہتے ہیں کہ وہ نہ پھٹے تو وہ فیوز اس کا نکال لیا جاتا ہے، اس کے بعد وہ سیف ہو جاتا ہے. تو ہمارے سینئر تھے، ان کا نام تھا نعیم. وہ کہنے لگے کہ میری ڈیٹیلنگ ہوگی ہیڈ کوارٹر کی طرف سے. تو جب ہم فرانس پہنچے وہاں پہ دوسرے ملکوں کے لوگ بھی آئے ہوئے تھے، 5-6 ملکوں کے لوگ تھے اور وہ 10-12 لوگوں کی ایک ٹیم بنی. تو انہوں نے پہلے اس طرح ڈیمانسٹریٹ کیا. لیب کے اندر ہی رولرز کے اوپر وہ میزائل رکھا ہوا تھا اور انہوں نے جو ہمیں بتایا وہ بڑی سمپل سی چیز تھی. وہ کیا تھی؟ آپ نے گیس کا سلنڈر تو دیکھا ہوگا، جس طرح CNG کا سلنڈر ہوتا ہے یا گیس کے سلنڈر ہوتے ہیں. اگر آپ اس کو لٹا دیں یا آکسیجن کا سلنڈر ہے، اس کے فرنٹ میں ایک ریگولیٹر لگا ہوتا ہے. تو اس میزائل کے ایک اینڈ پہ وہ فیوز لگا ہوا تھا. تو انہوں نے اس کو بتایا کہ اس کو اتارنے کا طریقہ یہ ہے کہ آپ نے فیوز کو نہیں گھمانا، فیوز کو آپ نے پکڑ کے رکھنا ہے اور پورے میزائل کو آپ نے گھمانا ہے. فیوز اپنی جگہ پہ رہے گا اور آپ میزائل کو گھمائیں گے اور یہ دونوں جب الگ ہو جائیں، چوڑی ہے اس کی وہ نکل جائے گی اور یہ الگ ہو جائیں گے. تو انہوں نے کہا کہ میں نے ان سے ایک سوال کیا کہ یہ بات بتانے کے لیے آپ نے ہمیں فرانس بلایا اور آپ ہمیں کہتے ہیں ہم آپ کو ٹرین کریں گے. مطلب یہ تو آپ زبانی بتا دیں کہ بھئی اس چیز کو نہیں گھمانا، اس کو گھمانا ہے، تو بات ختم ہو جائے گی. So they said you are not the first one who has said this. تم کوئی پہلے آدمی نہیں ہو جس نے ہمیں یہ بات کہی ہے. اب ہم تمہیں یہاں سے لے کے جائیں گے، تمہیں ہم نے صرف یہ دکھایا نہیں ہے، تم سے یہ کام کرائیں گے بھی، اور یہ بھی ابھی تمہیں آسان لگ رہا ہے. کہنے کا مقصد یہ ہے کہ زبانی کہہ رہے ہیں کہ اس کام کو اس طرح کر لو، یا اگر آپ کسی کو کرتے دیکھ لیتے ہیں تو اتنا آسان نہیں ہے کہ بس آپ نے دیکھ لیا تو آپ کر لیں گے. You have to do this. This is why all those disciplines where labs are there, where practicals are required, you have to participate and do things with your own hands. یہ تو ہر اس ڈسپلن کے لیے ضروری ہے جہاں پہ پریکٹیکل ہوں. آج کے دور میں نالج بہت زیادہ ہے اور نالج یا انفارمیشن کے بارے میں ہے کہ ہر بندے کی ایکسیس میں ہے. تو آئنسٹائن کی ایک سیئنگ ہے کہ انفارمیشن جو ہے، نوئنگ، ایوری بڈی نوز بٹ ویری فیو انڈرسٹینڈ. نالج آپ کے پاس بہت ہوگا لیکن اس کو سمجھنا اور اس کو پریکٹیکلی اپلائی کرنا، اس کے لیے آپ کو خود اپنے ہاتھ سے کام کرنا پڑے گا. اور آج کے دور میں آپ کے اسکل کی زیادہ ویلیو ہے. ڈگری جو آپ کو ملتی ہے وہ ایک طرح کی رسید ہے یا وہ ایک ثابت کرتی ہے کہ ہاں جی آپ نے یہ چیز پڑھی ہوئی ہے، لیکن کیا آپ اس کے اوپر عمل کر سکتے ہیں، یہ آپ نے پریکٹیکلی کر کے دکھانا. ٹھیک ہے. اور اسی لیے اگر آپ دیکھیں جب آپ جاب کے لیے اپلائی کرتے ہیں تو آپ اپنی سی وی بھیج دیتے ہیں، میرا 3.8 جی پی ہے، میرا 4.00 جی پی ہے، لیکن صرف اس جی پی اے کے بیسس پہ آپ کی سلیکشن نہیں ہوتی. سلیکشن کے لیے آپ کو انٹرویو میں جانا پڑتا ہے. بعض اوقات آپ سے وہ ڈیمونسٹریشن لیتے ہیں. وہ کیوں لیتے ہیں؟ وہ یہی دیکھتے ہیں کہ ٹھیک ہے آپ نے پیپر میں تو چیز ریپروڈیوس کر دی، لیکن کیا آپ اس پہ عمل کر سکتے ہیں، کیا آپ اس کی سمجھ ہے. تو وہ سمجھ اور اس پر عمل کی صلاحیت وہ آپ کے فیلڈ میں بہت زیادہ امپورٹنٹ ہے. ٹھیک ہے، اس لیے کہ آپ کے کام پہ دوسرے لوگوں کی زندگیوں کا انحصار ہے. اس لیے آپ کو جو یہ موقع ملا ہوا ہے اس میں آپ نے تمام چیزیں نہ صرف سمجھنی ہیں بلکہ ان کو اپنے ہاتھ سے کرنا ہے، تاکہ جب آپ فیلڈ میں جائیں وہاں آپ کے ہاتھ نہ کانپیں، آپ کا دل نہ گھبرائے اور آپ مضبوطی کے ساتھ اور کانفیڈنس کے ساتھ اپنا کام کر سکیں. اس کے ساتھ ہی میں اپنی بات کا اختتام کرتا ہوں. تھینک یو ویری مچ.
Thank you so much, انجینئر پروفیسر ڈاکٹر سلیف الرحمان سر، کہ آپ نے اپنے بیزی شیڈول میں سے ہمیں ٹائم دیا. آپ کے جو الفاظ تھے کافی قیمتی الفاظ تھے اور اسٹوڈنٹس کے لیے یہ الفاظ بہت ہی زیادہ قیمتی ہوں گے. ان کو چاہیے کہ ان الفاظ پر غور کریں، ان پہ فکر کریں. سر کے ہر ایک لفظ میں ایک کہانی ہے اور ایک معنی خیز الفاظ ہے یہ. اور سر جو اسٹوڈنٹس نے یہ پروسیجر پرفارم کیا تو یہ سب آپ مینجمنٹ کی محنت کا صلہ ہے کہ یہ کلینکل پر جاتے ہیں، وہاں سے سیکھ کر آتے ہیں اور یہاں پر پرفارم کرتے ہیں. ایک بار پھر آپ کا بہت بہت شکریہ ادا کرتے ہیں ہمیں تعلیم.
Now for more forwarding our program forward, we would like to call Musawwir from BS Surgical second semester to please come on stage and share a few words regarding different types of surgeries. Musawwir from second semester.
Starting with the greatest name of Almighty Allah, who is the most gracious and most merciful. Honorable Chief Guest, respected teachers and dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Today I will share my thoughts about surgery and its various types. Ladies and gentlemen, today we gather to explore the remarkable world of surgery and its various types. Surgery is a medical procedure where a doctor uses instruments to treat or diagnose a condition through incisions or manipulation of body tissues. There are several types of surgeries, each serving a unique purpose. Let's delve into a few. First one is general surgery. This encompasses a wide range of procedure involving the abdominal procedure, skin procedure, breast procedure, and soft tissues procedure. It's often used to treat conditions like appendicitis, hernias, and gallbladder issues. Second one is orthopedic surgery. Focuses on the musculoskeletal system, dealing with bones, joints, tendons, ligaments, and muscles. Common procedures include joint replacements, fracture repairs, and spinal surgeries. Third one is cardiovascular surgery. Involves procedure on the heart and blood vessels. Surgeon performs surgeries like coronary artery bypass surgery, valve repairs, and heart transplants to treat heart conditions. Remember, each type of surgery requires precision, skill, and expertise from the surgical team. As we approach the surgical day, let's appreciate the advancement in medical science that make this procedure possible. And let's wish for successful outcomes for all those undergoing surgeries. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Musawwir. That was a great speech. Thank you.
Yes, the speech was amazing. Rahim, you know I am having some lines, and the lines are in Pashto, a poetry for the medical students specifically, and I have shared in so many places. But here are also the medical students, and that is related to medical. So I want to share that here. With the sartori khur sadarshi, the gamjani mor akhtarshi. The sartori khur sadarshi, the gamjani mor akhtarshi, engineer shi, doctor shi, aw the dekam pagam khabar shi.
Wow. I also have a few words about surgeon, which I would like to notice in my practical life. That is, a good surgeon has the eye of eagle, the heart of a lion, and the hands of a caring woman.
Yes, absolutely right. Rahim, we already showed them some procedures and guided them well about the surgeries. What do you think? Should we take them to some other sites?
Yes, why not? Yes, of course. We have some motivational videos which we are going to show them through multimedia.
The art of surgery is a delicate balance between science and art.
The surgical first assistant should be master of scalpel, not a slave.
Surgery is a critical step toward recovery and wellness.
Surgery like a war, but it's better than war because it saves lives and binds men and women together in a deepest friendship.
Surgical Day can aware the development of new surgical techniques and advancement in medical sciences.
Surgical Day, a pivotal moment in the journey to recovery.
Always remember that surgery is the last hope.
The art, practice or work of treating injuries, deformities by manual procedure is known as surgery.
Surgery is a team effort and the team includes patient.
Surgical is a field where the skilled hands meet the caring hearts.
Surgery is not just about cutting, it's about healing.
Sarhad University offers educational programs like surgical technology, providing training in accepted techniques and surgical specialties.
The surgical skill is just not upper hand, but it hurts too.
Surgery is not just a science, it's an art that heals the heart.
Surgery where skills and compassion meet.
With each operation, we do not just repair, we regenerate the hope.
The art of surgery is a gift, not a position.
Sarhad University is the best place for the surgical technologist that provides all possible skills to the surgical technologist.
With every cut, a story is unfolded, and with every stitch, a life is molded.
Wow, Rahim, I hope so that the audience would have learned so many important lines about the surgeries and from the videos.
Yes, Rabia, audience were watching with full focus and I hope that they enjoy it. So, after that, I would like to invite Professor Dr. Zafar Iqbal to please come on stage and share a few words about Sunni. Dr. Zafar Iqbal, sir, please.
It's my pleasure to be here. As you mentioned that surgery is the last hope. When you're talking about the last hope, then we must be very, very, very careful. In my opinion, surgery is the art, surgery is the skills, surgery is the knowledge, and surgery is the sharpness of your mind, and the very important thing, the quick decision making. These are the major pillars of the surgery. I am confident that you will learn all these things. You know, in surgery, the most important is your confidence. How much you are confident, how much you are sharp. So when I saw you, my students over here, so I'm very pleased. So they are doing very well. I hope that this function will continue, and thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir.
Now, for more forwarding our event, I would love to invite Umar Hayat from BS Surgical 2nd semester to please come on stage and deliver a speech. Umar Hayat, please.
A complete healthcare without surgical is just a dream. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. The Honorable Chief Guest, respected teachers, and my dear audience, Assalamu Alaikum. I stand to share my stance is based on the famous topic, the importance of surgery. If I talk about surgical care, so surgery is not merely a medical intervention that can change life in profound ways. First and foremost, surgery saves life, whether it's an emergency procedure, whatever it stops internal bleeding, or a plain operation to remove a tumor. Surgery has the power to rescue individual from the brink of death and give them a second chance of life. Beyond saving life, surgery restores health and improves quality of life. From repairing injuries to correcting deformities, surgical intervention enables the patient to regain their independence, mobility, and dignity. They can return to their families, their communities, and their livelihood with renewed vigor and vitality. Moreover, surgery is the cornerstone of modern medicine, complementing other therapeutic modalities such as medication and physical therapy. In many cases, surgery is the most effective and efficient way to treat a wide range of conditions, from orthopedic injuries to cardiovascular disease. Ladies and gentlemen, surgery isn't just about fixing what's broken. It's about restoring hope, dignity, and quality of life. From saving lives in emergency situations to enhancing well-being through elective procedure, surgery touches to all. Let's celebrate the profound impact of surgical care and commit to ensuring that everyone has access to the life-changing benefit it provides. So, ladies and gentlemen, let's just recognize the immense importance of surgical care in promoting health, saving lives, and advancing human well-being together. Let us strive to make quality surgical care accessible to all, leaving no one behind. Thank you so much.
That's great, Umar Hayat. That was a great speech. Rabia, I think the audience are getting bored. So what do you think? Should we move toward a practical work side?
Yes, Rahim, I think you are absolutely right. So what do you think? Should we show them the procedures or practical work of the junior students?
Yes, sure. So now I would like to call Qasim Jalali and Shehzad and his group member to please come on stage and present the procedure. Qasim Jalali, Shehzad and his group member, please come on stage.
A patient was brought to the emergency with chronic appendicitis and he needs the surgery. As that he was proceeded for the surgery. Let's call for the anesthetic team to come and anesthetize the patient. Anesthetic is checking the patient before administering anesthesia. They are giving oxygen before passing it to tube. Anesthetic is administering anesthesia through IV line. They are fastening it to tube with the help of laryngoscope. Just it connected with the anesthesia machine and the patient is stable. Now it's called for the surgical technologist to come and prepare the OT. As the surgical technologist is showing you the various tips of scrubbing. He is going to become scrub. The circulating surgical technologist is helping to tight The strips of the gown of the first surgical technologist. They are arranging the instrument or trolley. The surgical technologist first assistant is trying to drive the patient. Let's call for the surgeon to come and start the surgery. The surgery site has exposed clearly. The surgical technologist is giving the gown. The surgeon becomes scrub. Let's start the surgery.
Trying to cut the muscles to reach the side of the appendix. Surgeon reach the sides. The appendix removed clearly and it's called for the surgical technologist to come and close the sides. The surgery successfully done. No stipple from the side of anesthetic.
Really appreciate them with your clipping because they are the student of second semester. Please come for a group picture.
I appreciate all of you. That was a great job. Thanks Qasim Jalali and Shehzad and his group member for such a great participation. Thank you.
Yes, Rahim, you are absolutely right. And I think now it's the right time for taking promises from them. What do you think?
Yes, why not?
So, ladies and gentlemen, now it's the time of oath-taking ceremony. So for this, for the sake of humanity and for enhancing development of community. So now I would like to invite focal person of surgical department, Mr. Zarak, to please come on stage and propel this oath-taking ceremony forward. With your huge claps, Mr. Zarak. Please stand for the oath-taking ceremony.
سرجیکل کے سارے اسٹوڈنٹس اپنی اپنی جگہوں پر کھڑے ہو جائے. رائٹ ہینڈ ریس کرے سب اسٹوڈنٹس. جو سرجیکل کے اسٹوڈنٹس ہیں رائٹ ہینڈ وہ ریس کرے اپنی. ٹوڈے اینڈ ایوری ڈے آئی پلیج ٹو سرو with skill and compassion. I promise to uphold the highest standards of patient care and safety. With every beat of my heart, I promise to care of my patients. With every breath I take, I promise to fight for your healing and recovery. For being a future surgical technologist, I promise that I would just stand like a wall in front of patient to protect him from each and every single dilemma. Thank you so much.
Ladies and gentlemen, it was oath-taking ceremony for the sake of humanity and enhancement of community forward. So now I would like to invite Deputy Director of Sarhad University Allied Health Sciences, Dr. Aliman Shah sir, to please come on stage and share a few words about this day. So put your hands together, please.
Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Honorable faculty member, respected focal person, dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I feel very great pleasure to see the seeds of their labor becoming taller and giving fruits. I remind you that you are not alone, but we are here for your facilitation and cooperation. So once again, thank you so much.
Thank you so much, sir, for sharing such a great words with students and for joining us again. Thank you so much to all of you for listening us and for motivating, appreciating each and everybody here who were performing here and who were practically presenting the things. So now, Rahim, I think so that so many students are gazing forward and they're looking forward that when are they going to cut the cake?
Yes, of course, Rabia. So now we have a cake cutting ceremony time and we have to cut this tremendous cake. So everyone please.
You are absolutely right, Rahim. But before cutting the cake, I would like to invite Deputy Director of Sarhad University, Dr. Aliman Shah sir, to please come on stage, Kamran sir, and the rest of the faculty staff members to please, and Dr. Zainab ma'am to please come on stage for the cake cutting ceremony. So please put your hands together.
آج جو سیلیبریٹ کیا آپ لوگوں نے گلوبل سرجری ڈے. تو یہ نارملی 25 مئی کو سیلیبریٹ کیا جاتا ہے. میں آپ لوگوں کو بتاتا چلوں کہ تقریباً پوری دنیا میں 5 بلین آبادی جو ہے یہ سرجیکل کیئر سے دور ہے, اور اس 5 بلین لوگوں میں 17 ملین لوگ ایسے ہوتے ہیں جو ہر سال پراپر سرجیکل کیئر نہ ہونے کی وجہ سے ان کی ڈیتھ ہو جاتی ہے. تو اس بات سے آپ لوگ اپنی اہمیت کا خود اندازہ لگا لیں کہ آپ لوگوں کی اہمیت کتنی ہے, اور آپ لوگوں کے لیے یہ فیلڈ, ہمارے لیے یہ فیلڈ, آپ لوگوں کی یہ ڈیزگنیشن کتنی امپورٹنٹ ہے. دوسری بات میں یہ کرنا چاہوں گا بچے کہ ہمیں اپنے پروفیشن پر, ہمیں اپنے ڈیزگنیشن پر ہمیشہ فخر ہونا چاہیے. زیادہ تر اسٹوڈنٹس کو میں دیکھتا ہوں وہ اپنے ساتھ ڈاکٹر کا لفظ جو ہے وہ استعمال کرتے ہیں, یا انہوں نے کوئی لیب کوٹ بنایا ہوتا ہے, اورال بنایا ہوتا ہے, اس پہ لکھا ہوتا ہے ڈاکٹر فلانا, ڈاکٹر فلانا. ٹھیک ہے بچے, آپ لوگ 4 ایئر کی جو ایجوکیشن کرتے ہو, آپ لوگ کا جو BS سرجیکل ٹیکنالوجی ہے, آپ لوگوں کو ایک بڑا زبردست جو ٹائٹل ہے وہ دیا جاتا ہے جو کہ سرجیکل ٹیکنالوجسٹ کا ہوتا ہے. تو ہمیشہ اپنے نام پر فخر کریں. جو لوگ اپنے نام پر, اپنے پروفیشن پر فخر کرتے ہیں تو مستقبل ان کا ہمیشہ روشن ہوتا ہے. ٹھیک ہے. تو دوسرا یہ کہ آپ نے اپنے پروفیشن, اپنے ٹائٹل کو لوگوں پر منوانا ہے. زیادہ تر لوگوں سے ہم یہ سنتے ہیں اکثر جب بھی ہمارے سیمینارز ہوتے ہیں, ورک شاپس ہوتے ہیں, کوئی بھی ایسا ڈے ہم سیلیبریٹ کر رہے ہوتے ہیں, تو جو ٹیکنیشین کا لفظ ہے وہ بار بار بولا جا رہا ہوتا ہے, فلانا ٹیکنیشین, فلانا ٹیکنیشین, فلانا ٹیکنیشین. تو اس چیز کو آپ لوگوں نے ختم کرنا ہے. لوگوں کو آپ لوگوں نے ایجوکیٹ کرنا ہے کہ 4 سال جو BS کی ڈگری آپ لیتے ہو تو یہ کسی ٹیکنیشین کی آپ نہیں لیتے, بلکہ یہ ایک ٹیکنالوجسٹ کی آپ لیتے ہو. جو کہ فارن کنٹریز میں آپ جاتے ہو تو وہاں پر بھی بعض جگہوں پر ٹیکنالوجسٹ کا جو ٹرم ہے وہ یوز ہوتا ہے, اور بعض جگہ پر جو سائنٹسٹ کا ٹرم ہے وہ بھی یوز ہوتا ہے. اور آپ لوگوں کا تو امپورٹنٹ اس لحاظ سے ہے کہ جو سرجن ہوتا ہے اس کو آپ اسسٹ کر رہے ہوتے ہیں. ایز اے سرجیکل اسسٹنٹ بھی آپ لوگ جو ہیں, آپ کا بڑا اہم رول ہے ایز اے سرجیکل ٹیکنالوجسٹ ایز ویل ایز سرجیکل اسسٹنٹ. ٹھیک ہے. جتنا کام وہ کر رہا ہوتا ہے, ایک سرجن کر رہا ہوتا ہے, 50% کام جو ہے وہ آپ لوگ بھی ان کے ساتھ کر رہے ہوتے ہیں. تو یہ جو اپنا آپ کا نام ہے اس کی لاج رکھیں, لوگوں کو ایجوکیٹ کریں, کیونکہ بہت بڑا فرق ہے ان چیزوں میں. آپ لوگوں کو یہ پتہ ہوتا ہے کہ اگر ایک سرجری ہو رہی ہے تو وہ سرجری کیوں ہو رہی ہے, اس کی پیچھے کی کہانی جو ہے وہ کیا ہے, کیوں یہ نوبت اس بات تک آئی کہ اس بندے کی ابھی جو سرجری ہے وہ کی جا رہی ہے. تو ہمیشہ ساری چیزیں ٹریٹمنٹ سے, میڈیسن سے حل بھی نہیں ہوتی, بلکہ اگر یہ سرجری نہ ہوتی تو ہر سال, ہر مہینہ, ہر دن لاتعداد لوگوں کی جو جانیں ہوتی وہ ضائع ہو جاتی. تو اللہ آپ سب لوگوں کو خوش رکھے, آپ کو کامیاب بنائے, یہی میری آپ کے لیے دعا ہے. تھینک یو سو مچ.
ډیر مننه سرجی, مننه سرجی. شعر هم نه ویل, شعر ضرور و سرجی. اصلا سرجی یو شعر پکار دی, یو سرجی تاسو را پاسه تاسو
بچے څنګه شعر درته وایم, اسې تاسو ها میډیکل باره کې ها اچھا اچھا بچے, زه در سره بچې یو شعر شیئر کوم. دا د هغه ټایم تقریبا چې مونږ کله BSc کوله, زما یو ټیچر و ډاکټر سراج الدین سراج. نو بچې کله چې هغې به ډیفینیټلی زمونږ لږه غوندې حوصله افزایي کوله او راته ویلي چې یاره زمونږ سره به یې د کیمسټري ټیچر هم و. نو په هغې متعلق ما بچې یو شعر در سره شیر کوم, او شعر دا دی ستاسو د هغه دپاره چې د زړه مرکز نه جوختې مې تاویږي, چې د زړه مرکز نه جوختې مې تاویږي, د یار سترګې د ډومبي شیل الکتران دي. او بچې که خیال پې وکړې نو په د فرسٹ شیل کې 2 الکتران وي او بالکل ایگزیکٹ ورسره نیوکلیس وي. نو که خیال وکړې دلته آیونایزیشن انرژي هم ډېره زیاته وي, الیکټرو موټیو فورس هم زیات وي, اور شیلڈنگ افیکٹ کم ہوئی. نو ٹرائی ٹو ڈو دا ایویڈنس بیس پریکٹس. ٹھیک ہے کامران صاحب, جو سی پی آرز ہے یا جو کلینکل پریڈکشن رولز ہے, they are very necessary for you people. Try to do the evidence based practice and to avoid from complacency and skepticism. Means to say چې د زړه مرکز نه جوخته متاویږي د یار سترګې د ډوبې شل الکترون دی.
سی آرز اور جی آرز رک جائے باقی سب کو بہت بہت شکریہ آنے کے لیے, اور پروگرام بس اختتام پذیر ہو گیا. یس سر, سی آرز اور جی آرز رک جائے باقی لوگ جا سکتے ہیں. تھینک یو سو مچ اسٹوڈنٹس.